Time to do that blogging video. Oh, wait. Look at all these blogging YouTubers. They're so much better than me. How can I have any chance of being better than them? You're probably thinking that every freaking second when you put out a blog post, you're like, I want to get reads, but there's competition on the other side that's probably better than me, growing faster than me. They're just blowing me out of the water. But you should instead focus on networking with them and collaborating with them, because you guys are both bloggers in the same niche who all want the same goal: to be a full-time blogger and help the demographic that you are supposedly writing for. Very simple. You look at your competition, you see what bloggers are in your niche, and you just collaborate and network with them. Email them, DM them on social media, and say, hey, let's do a collab here. No matter if they're big or small, it doesn't matter. Your size doesn't mean crap. They're looking for the person who's willing to give, willing to just help their audience. And they're probably going to want to take you because both of you are serving the same audience. So you guys are basically helping each other out here. Because people these days can buy numbers. They can buy followers. They can buy fans. Numbers on a screen don't mean crap if you're not actually impacting those numbers, which are human beings. Because I probably guarantee you don't just watch me for blogging advice or writing advice. You watch probably Neil Patel, Allison Lindstrom, Creative Revolt, Create and Go, Write and Prosper with Ginatria. You probably watch all those people because we all have different missions, different personalities, and different reasons why we create this kind of content. For example, you might be a beauty blogger, for example, and you create content because you want people to be good in their skin and to feel beautiful and feel amazing. Or they can be another beauty blogger who does toxic free beauty and blogs about that and it's like, I want people to embrace the toxic free lifestyle, use natural products. Two of those people can collab and share different things with each other, and what that means is both communities are going to come together, both bloggers are going to come together, and you're going to form this huge mass thing together. For example, I freaking messaged some creators in my niche so we can collab sometime. I know they're busy bees, but you can take a chance. I messaged someone. I was like, hey, let's do a collab together. And I just messaged them. That simple. That easy. You just message someone and you guys respond and you guys become friends. People can become friends these days through DMs. I've become fast friends with people online through just DMs and being on social media. It's not that freaking hard. And please do not come to collaborating and networking just to grow yourself. You have to choose these bloggers in your niche because you care about them, you love them as a person, you care about their mission, and you just want to get to know them and help their community and have their community help your community. It's just a friendship. It's not about I grow you, you grow me. This is a friendship, and you have to think of it like that every freaking day. Give every freaking day. And I know how it feels when you're DMing people and emailing people within your niche and you say, hey, let's do a collab together, let's network, let's, do something together where we share our blogs together and just have our communities get to know each other, and they don't respond. It's embarrassing. It feels like you just wasted your time. You're making yourself look like a no one. I know how it feels. I've been there. But you have to keep pushing. You have to keep going through and find those true stars, those diamonds that are actually really there to give. And these days, it's getting harder to freaking make friends and to find people in your niche that are authentic and genuine and actually care about what they're doing. Because most of these people just care about themselves and just want to be a blogger just to be a blogger. You have to be very picky these days of who you want to collab with and who you want to network with, because you need to know, is this person really who they say they are, and are they really going to benefit our community and benefit me? To really put your community first during these kind of things. Hold it. Just because I said that doesn't mean everyone's bad. You have to assume good in everyone. And don't be that person who's like, oh my god, like I have to see something before I'm gonna go out after and do a lot of work. I need to see something before I can believe it. What I'm doing here is not tangible. You can't see it. It's not predictable. But you have to do something, but even though you know it's gonna scare you, you're gonna feel scared. You have to do something that's gonna put you into the unknown, because the unknown sometimes means progress. So you have to go out there and grind. Because the media is only growing, and we're pretty much competing for at least 10 minutes of attention. So you need to find a way that's going to really show that you are actually here to give, because people these days, people's lives are busy, people's lives are crappy. You have to put it in the perspective of the reader. Like, what are they going through? What are their problems? And how can you make it better for them? Because let me tell you something. This is going to change your world. You can watch any blogger, YouTube. You can watch me. You can watch Creative Revolt. You can watch Create and Go. You can watch Alison Lindstrom. You can watch whatever the freak you want. But the only person that's actually going to take action and make things happen and be the blogger of your dreams is you. So stop watching our videos and actually take action. We give you the content that you need, so the only thing left is you actually putting in the work in, because it requires a lot of dedication and hustle to get there. And I don't blame you. You're probably not going to trust me at all. I'm only 16. I only started YouTube for like 7 months. I just started. I don't know everything. So I don't blame you if you don't trust me quite yet. But we're basically in the same boat here. Yes, I haven't made 10K blogging, done all these freaking things like all those other YouTubers did, but this is our journey, and I don't want to be on this pedestal, and I actually want to show that just because I'm in this dilemma, that doesn't mean I'm going to make sure you and me stay in this. We're going to come together. We're going to go at each point together. Because I used to care a lot about these YouTubers. They were so much bigger than me. They know more than me. They're older than me. They're just basically ahead of me in every freaking way. Comparing myself to other people is only going to slow me down. If I care about what other people think and just not actually go forward and start competing against myself instead, I'm not going to see progress. Because think about it. Are you surrounding yourself with people that you are inspired by? Or are you trying to constantly impress others because you care what people think? Think about that long and hard, because I used to care a lot about what people thought and, try to make everyone happy and please everyone. But once I stopped caring what people think and actually competing against myself, make a boxing match against myself, compete against your ego, your adversities, what you're going through, instead of competing against other people, I started to see results. I started doing things that I never thought I could, because I believed in myself. You can't do anything or help anyone or do anything for anyone if you don't have yourself. Yourself is in check. You have to have yourself in check first. Because what starts to happen when bloggers start to blow up and grow, any creator, their ego starts to rise. They start to go complacent. They start to think that, oh, I'm the crap. I'm the best. I'm growing. Hey. The number one thing I can tell you is when you start to grow at an immense rate, please stay who you are. Please keep that humility, because when you start to become good and you start to blow up, you can gain an ego. And even the most humble people suffer from this. So please keep your humility. Because the new normal at school for me was being stared down like I was psychotic. People thinking I was a weirdo. Possibly even being talked about behind my back. People in my generation are jacked up. But I surrounded myself with people I'm inspired by. I keep my circle small, and I don't try to go out of my way to impress others and actually think about bigger crap. That's when stuff starts happening. Surround yourself with people that actually encourage you rather than bring you down. Because being a blogger, it's all the mindset. 80% of all of this is a mindset. The 20% is actually doing it. Freaking take action and get started, because nothing's gonna happen if you just sit around and keep watching my videos. Nothing's gonna happen. You actually have to go out there and make your dreams happen, because I know you got it. Do it. And I'm probably only 16, so you're probably people only thinking, what does he gotta say? You're probably right. I don't know everything. Whatever information you get here is the same regardless anywhere else. So that applies to if whatever you blog about, you're probably gonna get it on every other blogger in your niche. What makes a successful person different from an unsuccessful blogger is, are you willing to suffer? Are you willing to make new ideas? Post when it's scary. Do stuff that's gonna potentially make you get hate or get love. Write content that's above bonkers, wacko, dacko, hacko, crazy, because you know that this is something no one talked about, and it can potentially reach thousands of people and help them.
Other bloggers are unrelatable because they're too hardcore perfectionists, but you're relatable and people like authenticity.
But I don't want to take away from all those other blogger YouTubers. They're doing a great job, but I truly believe that knowledge out here is free. All knowledge it's free to learn. It's right at our fingertips, and all content here is free. Like, if I don't think it requires a course or you have to buy someone's email list or buy something to be a better blogger, because don't think buying something is going to instantly solve your problems. It's always going to be you. But yeah, the podcast is free, the YouTube is free, the Instagram and the Twitter is free, the Twitch is free, and my biggest ask is just share this to people who need help, and just, you know, stay here if you want. But yeah, everything is free here, and it's like the best. And you know, we'll see if we get into monetization right now, but I'm just here to give, and I'm here to impact you guys. And yeah, I don't want to put myself on a pedestal and act like I'm like the bomb, because that's really not the case. I want to be relatable and kind of be on your level and show that I am just like you guys. Like, you know, maybe I'm a few ahead, but we're not that much far apart. You just have to take action and just start blogging. Yeah, I just want to talk to you online and just get to know you as people. I really do care about you guys. If you have any questions, please be sure to answer in the comments. And if there's anyone who knows a good question, a good answer to those questions, don't be afraid to answer. Like, this is our community. We're gonna do this together. Like, I'm not like this high mighty God. Like, I'm with you guys every step of the way. You guys are the best. I just want to let you know, like, every day I'm gonna help you guys. Every day I want to come up with new ideas to really make sure I turn your blogging passions into careers, and really just go out there and crush it and make a life and impact more people. We're in this together. This is our journey. I'm not here to sugarcoat. I'm just here to give and share, but we can do this. Just believe in yourself, go out there and crush it, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't get mad at me, blogger YouTubers. Love you, bye. You're gonna hate me, bye.